This will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAYS. We will take a look at the daily time frame. This is one that was very popular way back when. It was one of those big promotions, but pretty much fell off the map and fell off the radar and came down here, and you can see this pretty much speaks for itself. Has been going sideways for a long time, down in the triple, or the double zeros, and then today all of a sudden I think there's a news release out, and obviously the market liked what it saw there. Massive volume, massive price reaction, and the reason the chart is so scrunched up is we're gonna have to go back quite a bit of ways to figure out where these levels of support are. And the levels of support are going to be the key thing, because that's what we got to use in order to measure the strength and legitimacy, if that's a real word, of this move. Now, lots of stocks can make one day moves like this, or 2 day moves, and then that's all that's to them. But the easiest way to measure the health of any sort of upwards move is to see how it reacts around the price supports. Sometimes those price supports don't even get tested, and obviously in that case that just means that the move is legit and it just keeps on moving up. So again, the main focus of this video is going to be on where are these levels of support that we can use to monitor the strength of this upwards move. So the first one that comes into play is this level right here, and this level is at 0059, 006, whatever you want to call it. So this will be the first level of support, and if we go back through the history, you can see that way back here it acted as a resistance a few times, acted as a support once, so we have some price history right around there. And what I'm going to do is actually create a little support zone, because then there's another area right down not too far below which also acted as support, and that level is at 005. So we'll just call it 0055 to 006 is this first little support zone that you'll ideally want to see the price hold above. After this, the next level of support isn't until down here. Actually, so I don't have to keep, let's do this, so I don't have to keep, I'll just copy and paste these. Well, that didn't work how I wanted it to. Let's try that again. There we go. So the next one is right down there, and that's a support at 004. And then the next level to really watch is going to be right down here. And you can see a couple highs right over here from back in earlier in the year at 0029. So use these four levels as your kind of thermometer gauges, if you will. The more that the price falls below these, the colder and colder the chart will become. But if they can maintain above them, then that's a good sign of strength, that there is some true strength and some true power behind this move. Now, in terms of resistance levels, first level of resistance, it's going to be right here, and that's from way back on November 20th of 2012. That's at 009, so that'll be an area of resistance. And then after that, the big one to see how the price reacts around will be the CL line here. That's a 200-day simple moving average, and that is valued up at 0.011. So 0.011, that'll be the big one. And like usual, 0.01 will also be resistance, just because that's a psychological level and usually presents some sort of resistance. So keep your eye on these two things. But like I said, the main thing is going to be how does the price react if being the keyword, these levels get tested. If they don't, then that's obviously a good sign for the bull. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up here. When you do that, you will receive a free ebook. And if you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as a strategy in your trading, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was RAYS. Thanks for listening.